Here's Delaware Governor Markell's weekly message.
Thanks for these few minutes of your time. We've been spending a lot of time making sure our state government is focused on two areas. One is strengthening our state's public schools to give our children the best chance to succeed. And two, helping the private sector get people back to work and improve economic opportunity for everyone. But kids can't learn and adults can't work effectively if their lives are clouded by fear of physical abuse. That's why we're also working hard to keep our commitment to public safety, with a particular focus on combating domestic violence. Domestic violence is a substantial societal problem, which can take many forms: physical, emotional, economic, and psychological abuse. These statistics are staggering. More than 16,000 criminal cases of domestic violence each year in Delaware. More than 90% of domestic violence victims are women. In fact, 1 in 4 women are likely to be victims of domestic violence in their lifetime. Recently, we made Delaware law stronger and clearer when it comes to protecting victims from further abuse. No one who escapes from terrible situations should find themselves still living in fear of further violence. We want anyone who labors under the threat of violence to be able to get the protective order they need for as long as they need it to be in place. Threats of violence can last for years, well after the term of an existing protection from abuse order expires. That's why we recently came together to sign into law a bill that gives our judges the ability to keep critical protections in place for as long as they're needed. Our new law is a result of a bipartisan effort led by Attorney General Beau Biden and State Representative Mike Barbieri, who chairs the House Health and Human Development Committee. Senate Majority Leader Patty Blevins, one of our state's champions around public safety issues. Representative Deborah Hudson and Senate Minority Whip Liane Sorensen were original co-sponsors. Together, they and so many others involved in this effort made clear that no one should need to live in fear. Delaware's new law gives additional protection to those at risk and additional peace of mind to those desperately in need of it, so they can begin anew on their road to recovery and keep their own lives moving forward.